In this quick guide, I'll show you how to import data into Zoho Books, making your financial management smooth and efficient. Start by logging into Zoho Books and selecting the module you want to import data into. This could be sales, purchases, items, or contacts. Click the three-dot more icon in the top right corner and choose Import. Next, upload your file by clicking Choose File. Make sure your data is in CSV, TSV, or XLS format. Select the correct character encoding, ITF8 works well, and specify the sheet if your file has multiple sheets. Now it's time to map your fields. Zoho Books tries to automap, but review each column carefully to ensure accuracy. You can also save this mapping for future imports to save time. Preview your data one last time, and when everything looks good, click Import. That's it. Your data is now successfully imported, keeping your Zoho Books organized and up to date. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.